Hey beauty lovers, welcome back to Beautyistic, your go-to space for all things beauty. Now, if you're blonde, lightened, or rocking those fabulous grays, you're probably always on the hunt for products that help keep that hair looking its best. And that's exactly what we've got today. Olaplex No. 4P Blonde Enhancer Purple Toning Shampoo. Let's get right into it. Olaplex is one of those brands that's synonymous with hair care innovation. And this product? It's no exception. Designed to hydrate, repair, and enhance blonde, lightened, and gray hair, it promises to brighten those shades while toning away unwanted yellow or brassiness. It's not your typical purple shampoo, though. It's formulated to give your hair that gorgeous, cool blonde without any of the damage. This purple toning shampoo has the power to gently lift the yellow and brassy undertones that come with lighter shades. The key ingredients focus on restoring hair health and repairing damage from coloring, which is a godsend for those of us who regularly color our hair. It's also unscented, which is a big win if you're sensitive to strong fragrances. So how does it actually perform? I've been using it for a couple of weeks now, and I've gotta say, this shampoo does exactly what it says. It's been super easy to work into my routine. Just apply it like a regular shampoo, leave it on for a few minutes. Don't be tempted to leave it too long, especially if you're new to purple shampoos. It's potent. And rinse. I've noticed a significant reduction in brassiness, and my hair feels smoother too. Now, let's talk pros and cons. First, the pros. The formula is easy to use, it's gentle, and it actually works. The toning power is real, and the hair feels soft and nourished after each wash. Plus, the no-scent formula is a blessing for those who are sensitive to perfumes. As for the cons, I'd say the price might be a factor for some people. It's not the cheapest shampoo out there, but when you consider the brand's reputation and the quality of the results, it might be worth the investment, especially if you've been struggling with brassiness or damaged blonde hair. When it comes to value for money, Olaplex No. 4P isn't just a shampoo, it's a treatment. The quality of ingredients is premium. And you're not just paying for a product that tones, but one that also actively repairs and strengthens your hair. That's something you don't always get in other purple shampoos. For anyone with blonde or lightened hair, the price feels justified. Now, as far as comparisons go, I've tried a few purple shampoos in the past, and none of them quite match the level of damage repair and hydration that this one provides. There are definitely cheaper options, but I haven't found one that delivers the same level of shine and health along with its toning benefits. As for the packaging and build quality, Olaplex always delivers. The 8.5 Felod's bottle is easy to use and has that signature sleek look with a solid cap to prevent any mess. If you're wondering about longevity, I've been using this for a few weeks and I've barely made a dent in the bottle. This product will last a while. Now, before I wrap up, I've got to mention customer support. While I didn't have a personal issue with the brand, Olaplex generally gets high marks for responsive customer service. Their reputation for handling inquiries and concerns quickly and professionally is something to keep in mind if you ever need assistance. So, who is this shampoo perfect for? If you're blonde, lightened, or sporting silver or gray hair, this is a game changer. It's ideal for anyone who's struggling with yellow undertones or needs a product that actively helps repair and hydrate their hair while toning. I definitely recommend it to those who invest in hair care and want something that does more than just cover up brassiness. If you've used this product or have questions, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts on how it worked for you. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Your support helps us keep bringing you honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.